How to use Discord on phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Discord application on your mobile device. Go to the login page. If you do not have an account, go to register. Choose any one of the option. You can either use phone number or email to log in. In email box, simply provide your Gmail account. Then after, click on next. Create a display name for yourself. And in the next page, now you need to create a username for yourself. Once the username has been entered, go to password and create a new password for yourself. After that, provide your date of birth. Simply click on confirm after you have chosen the date. Now, click on continue and then create an account. Now sometimes the username that you might have entered might already be registered in Discord, so create a different one. Verify that you are human. After that, your account has been created. In order to people find you in Discord, simply choose a particular icon. To add friend, you can either use their name directly and send them a friend request from your account. If not, you can simply share them invite. Click on share invite and you can share it in any application you want. After that, you have this plus icon at the top. Clicking on that, you can either create your own server or simply join a server. So to join a server, you firstly need to be invited. After that, using the invite link, you can simply paste here and join that particular server. All the notifications will be seen in this section of your Discord. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to use Discord in mobile phone. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.